Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla kondat ke sama haka khatsan tarik jemang ula Plie ba eka Karkhana Dhar Plie kabashna plywood kabalong trai da uma ngadlang Dhar kabadon hasnong Narbong Byrnihat riboy district lasenran lang ya Myntri Rangbah haka ni kesni deki armut ki sembut Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla uba prestun tensong bat uba asnya bahlang Dhar nalor ki Myntri Sarkar Jylla ki MLA MDC lembat ki officer sarkar ki balawan ban sakhilang ya kani ke jingpli ya ka Karkhana Dhar Plie Hagni kesni le adon lang ki bahayi ngasem ki paralok parajor bat ki bait bathon jong ka yeng kasem uma ngat lang Dhar ki balawan ban sakhi ya ka jingpli palba ya kani ka Karkhana ka Karkhana ka long ka bahe baha ba kadon kinong tre de ki spangot kani ka Karkhana kan penbiang ya ki jingdon kam ki patba ka Jylla bat kan shalan ro ki weipat ki yo ki hat jong kari India haba ajingkran hagni kesni ukon rat ki sangma baru ba prestun tsong kilai ka jingero bat ki kitbok ya uma ngadlang Dhar bat ka yeng ka sem jong u ban nang ki irat shaprang haki por bandang wan kilong ru kani ka Karkhana kala bandong ka we ni ki Karkhana shna plywood ki ba he ha Meghalaya bat ki Jylla shate lamingi kari India
Plie का उद्घाटन करते हुए NE न्यूज़ पर सीधी तस्वीर समारोह के बाद मूल मंडप की ओर
The honor may I invite Meghalaya Dhar.
Manufacturing and exports. Dhar Group has always stood for trust, hard work, and commitment to excellence. Born from this legacy, Dhar Plie represents strength we can build on. At the heart of Dhar Plie is its biggest advantage: authentic Meghalaya pine wood. Carefully sourced from Meghalaya, this pine wood
ngakumu briu wapila aktivis rai baro ala sedang bisnes lagi kontrak bisnes ding nadok meswa kumta terter ila sedang mempersangkat bala ibor berit ala poi kumbolong mentas ngilala ban penur long yaga di plywood industry mdon mano lani ki wei ki perlo ki partner lani ki wei mdon mano ngidon hitang ngisi family tang family jong ile jong hi pengila pengkre pengila snai kene tangadap ke jing snokman mdai ke jing snokman ke bangala la pan snai kene ke factory lani bukan kamai spa yang ka jing kemen ke jonga pengas ngubang ke pasno tuhung tenat pengala la ban penroy industri Khubor state ban ngalala ro ban aikam yagi bru jong igi lokal ginong trai apo gani ke factory kumalai spa san phangud ai ginong trai ban sayo ban bru ni very outset, I would like to thank Ma Naitlang for having invited me to be part of this program. And I also would like to congratulate the entire team that has been behind the setting up of this magnificent factory, which I'm sure, apart from creating hundreds of job opportunities, is also going to be a factory and a unit known for its quality products and will be one of the better players in the entire plywood industry. Friends, in the last 8 years of the governance of our MDA government, we had set a vision in front of us. And that vision, which was to take forward our economy, create livelihood, and to make Meghalaya among the top 10 states in the country. This vision was driven by a very aggressive government policy to increase government spending, mobilize resources from all over the country, invest in infrastructure, invest in administrative strengthening, and also to create the environment where we would be able to bring in more and more private investment. It is only through these two major channels or two major factors can we see consistent growth in any state or country's gross domestic product. And as all of you know, that because of this consistent work that we have been doing, today Meghalaya's growth rate is above the national average. Meghalaya in the last ranking was the second fastest growing economy, competing with states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, at that level, where many people never thought that Meghalaya could even dream of competing. And most importantly, the growth story of Meghalaya is not one where you simply see one spike and there's a growth in one particular year, which can happen accidentally. But Meghalaya's growth story has been very, very consistent. And if you look at the last 3 to 4 years, Meghalaya is the only state in the country which has grown consistently at real GDP growth of 10% on average, year on year, year on year. And friends, this can only happen if you have focus, if there is consistency in what we do, if there is confidence in the market and confidence in the infrastructure creation and confidence among the investors, that there is stability, there is political stability in Meghalaya, which leads to policy stability, which leads to consistency. And that is the story of Meghalaya in the last 8 years. But what is most important is that this journey is just beginning.
We have just laid the foundations. We have miles to go and huge targets to achieve. But what I am most happy and satisfied is that people have started recognizing Meghalaya.